Good morning. I was getting hungry, so I've decided to make myself some chaffles. Been doing a lot of learning about oxalates and how they're not good for your body, and finding out that almonds are high in oxalates. If you want to know about oxalates, do a little research. There's a lot out there. Anyway, I decided to make the chaffles this morning using coconut flour. I used 2 eggs, which normally for the almond flour I would just use 1 egg, but I used 2 eggs. I used 20 grams of coconut flour. I used half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I used just a small handful of shredded mozzarella cheese. And I mixed this all up together. I let it sit for maybe 5 minutes. Give it another stir. I sprayed my waffle maker. Normally I don't spray it, but I sprayed it. And after 5 minutes, I poured the new chaffle batter into the waffle maker, and I let it cook. And with a little tiny bit of work, and that's only because the chaffle went beyond the griddle itself. So I got it out, and I'm going to show you. I am so happy with how this turned out. Anyway, yes, look how thick that is. Like that, a person could actually, and it seems to be, it's not falling apart. So if these were left to cool, I think that they would make an excellent hamburger bun. I am going to use up some of these tomatoes here, and I'm going to have an open-faced tomato sandwich using the 2 of them. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with how these turned out. And hopefully they have a nice eating texture. And if they do, I will share a clip at the end of this on how I like the texture of it. Anyway, thought you'd like to know.